Okay, hello, my name is Len Thomas Vickery, and I am chair of the Printmaking Concentration at Montserrat College of Art. Hi, my name is Len Thomas Vickery, and I am chair of the Printmaking Concentration at Montserrat College of Art. At Montserrat, we have concentrations, so people interested in printmaking have a focus within the printmaking department, but the concentrations allow you to have more experiences within the other fields of study so that you can bring them in. Majors are a little more focused, so we try to get you out and studying with some other departments. Down in the basement in printmaking, as a student, you would be exploring silk screening, you would be exploring lithography, monoprinting, etching, and all of the newest technology available to it, so that you're learning how to do it in an old-fashioned and with the most technical means available. Within those classes, a class like silkscreen, you would learn how to do things where you're using a stretch mesh on a screen to transfer an image through a template onto another surface. And it sounds simple, and it is, but what it means is you're able to create t-shirts, old-fashioned prints on paper. You can use electroconductive ink to create a circuit board on a wall. Most computer chips are also silk-screened in some capacity. So you do learn the different applications of silk screening, and we do this with most of the other classes in relation to contemporary technology. And that gives you the ability to work on fabrics for sculptures. That gives you the ability to work with poster building for graphic design or many other different facets. One of our advanced classes is called Printmaking Workshop. It is intended as a largely semester-long, intensive independent study, almost guided by a teacher, exploring contemporary issues, but also learning to explore the materials and processes you like and understanding how they reflect your context and content and image and how people receive them. Within the printmaking department at Montserrat College of Art, students are responsible for learning older technologies, learning how to set a press, learning how to do registration, learning about the capacities of inks and how they work. But we also require the students to start learning contemporary technology, and that being video editing, Photoshop, 3D printing, that there are available to you as for use after you graduate. We have also worked with 3D printing, small 3D presses that actually print and work, so that you're learning how to build other things with it and tie it to analog technology. Within the printmaking department, students learn, of course, the basic core ideas of printmaking, which is things like registration, layers, color, management and sequence of printing, and those related issues. But students also explore their ideas of what they wish to do after they graduate. We do not use a cookie cutter template downstairs. We try to guide it towards where your interests are. So if you're interested in working with printmaking in groups of students, we would get you into perhaps a internship. If you're interested in old-fashioned printmaking, we'll make sure you're getting the ideas of running editions and storage and developing further skills that will address how your image creates a message or an idea for your audience. Research through understanding how you're putting something together and tying it to an idea is just as important as the physical finished piece. Some of our other alumni right now are working more directly within the printmaking field. Corey and Jackson are now printing down at Hatch Press in Tennessee full time. This is housed within the Country Music Hall of Fame, so they're doing everything from circus posters to concert announcements, using woodblock, letterpress, and old-fashioned ideas to get their work out. So we do have a variety of students working around in different capacities. So one of the other benefits with working with printmaking as a student is you're starting to understand how to construct an image through layers, but also through experimentation. And this is a form of research so that you're starting to begin to understand how to organize your own brain to put something together. That is a skill that's applicable to many other fields, and the sense of being able to organize and work with other people. The printmaking department isn't unique, but one of the things you have to learn to do down there is work with the other students, because your work needs to be done largely down there with the equipment. So you immediately need to start learning how to work with people in different capacities, from helping you print to keeping the lab functioning. If you have any questions about Montserrat or being a printmaking student at Montserrat, please feel free to contact our admissions department, or feel free to get in touch with me. My email is len.thomas-vickery@montserrat.edu. Thank you, and hopefully we'll see you.